हमें जो चीज़ अचीवेबल लगती है ना, उसकी कदर नहीं होती। हमें नहीं मिलती है ना कोई चीज़, तो हमें लगता है क्यों नहीं मिल रही है, वाई इज दिस पर्सन नॉट गिविंग मी इम्पोर्टेंस। Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another very random video. So in this one I'm going to be talking about why do we fall for people who do not like us back. So ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर अगर लोगों को मिल जाए ना, आई थिंक हाफ ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी सॉल्व्ड. बट obviously we are humans and we do not know everything, nor do I know everything, but I have some insights which really can explain you why this happens. Okay, so let's start. So what I feel is हमारा human nature ऐसा है that we crave for things that we don't have. Okay, let me explain. So क्या होता है, आपको जैसे कोई चीज़ चाहिए होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वॉन्ट एन आईफोन. until you have the iPhone. I remember मैंने जब iPhone 6 लिया था, I was so crazy about it. मतलब जब तक वो नहीं मिला था, I used to just like before that I never had an iPhone, so it was a very big deal for me. So वो जब नहीं आया था and तो मैं उसका Amazon पे पिक्चर खोल के I used to zoom in and I used to see that this is how it looks, इतना ऐसा है वैसा है. So you know, जब तक कोई चीज़ हमारे पास नहीं होती है तब तक वी क्रेव फॉर इट, वी वॉन्ट टू हैव इट, राइट. वो जो आपके अंदर वो होता है ना, what to say, the law of attraction, you can say that. You think about it, you start manifesting it, right. So आप उस चीज़ को imagine कर लेते हो कि आपके पास है, right. So I'll not go into the law of manifestation, law of attraction and everything, but what I'm trying to say here is जब तक वो चीज़ आपके हाथ में नहीं होती है, till that time you want it so badly, but जब वो आपके हाथ में आ जाती है, then what happens? Okay, you're very thrilled, you're very excited, you get your phone, you look at it, you feel amazing, but for how long? कितनी देर तक लास्ट करती है वो फीलिंग? So you know, I know कि वो फीलिंग चली जाती है धीरे धीरे. once you have something, उसकी वैल्यू कम होती ही है over time. Like it will never have the same value like it had when you got it for the first time. तो वो जो होता है ना फीलिंग, वो धीरे धीरे फेड हो जाता है. इवन इफ़ यू बाय अ न्यू कार, स्टार्टिंग में जो फीलिंग होती है जब वो कार आने वाली होती है आपके घर पे, वो कैसी फीलिंग होती है. बट वंस यू हैव इट, once you're driving that car, then doesn't it fade away, right? So this is human nature, that once we get something we tend to lose interest in it, which is not a good thing, I would say, but ये बहुत ही weird सा nature है. And so this is what happens in a relationship. So we tend to want someone who we don't have, right. We go behind people who don't value us because हमें नहीं मिलती है ना कोई चीज़, तो हमें लगता है क्यों नहीं मिल रही है, why is this person not giving me importance, right. So वो चीज़ काम करती है आपके ऊपर, and because of that you tend to fall for people who do not love you back, because yeah, that's how human mind plays. Also, why we don't give importance to the good people, to good guys, to good girls who we should actually have in our lives. हम उन्हें importance क्यों नहीं देते हैं? because वो तो हमारे पास होती है ना. हमें लगता है ये बंदा या ये बंदी तो हमें कभी भी मिल सकता है, तो उसकी वैल्यू नहीं होती, even though they might be the better person for your life, as your life partner. but हमें जो चीज़ अचीवेबल लगती है ना, उसकी कदर नहीं होती. एंड जो चीज़ वी थिंक इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू गेट, हार्ड टू गेट, भले ही वो एक नंबर का वैसा इंसान हो, बट वी फील कि नहीं है हमारे पास यार ये, तो हमें चाहिए. सो बी वेयर ऑफ दिस थिंग एंड डोंट फॉल फॉर सच गाइज जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर अनअचीवेबल. सोचो कि आपके फ्यूचर के लिए कौन अच्छा है, गाय और अ गर्ल. सो थिंक अबाउट इट, टेक अ वाइज डिसीजन. डोंट लेट योर human psychology fool you. So I know this, that it's very difficult to choose the right person because there are a lot of temptations. such temptations who do not like you back, but you choose someone. I think always in a relationship it's important to choose someone who loves you more than you love them, so that ways you'll always be happy. So make a wise decision when you are choosing a life partner so that you have a happy life. So बस यही बोलना था इस वीडियो में. It was a very quick random video. I just got done with my office work and I thought I'll shoot this video. So I hope you liked it. It was very fun, candid, and yeah, my parents are not home and they're going to come back any moment and I have to go and open the door. So yeah, I will sign off now, and if you like the video, you know what to do. You have to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and comment below your thoughts. Kaisa laga? If you want more of these kind of videos, let me know. And yeah, I will sign off and I will see you again in my next one. Till then, bye.